Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I was just running out the door and I totally forgot, but I had been wanting to show you guys this beauty blender cleaning hack that my husband actually discovered it by accident, and I've been wanting and meaning to show you guys, and I totally forgot. And right now I was just running out the door and I'm like, I gotta do it right now. It's now or never. It's so amazing. I don't know if you guys have heard me speak about how much I hate cleaning my beauty blenders, like everybody probably, but I feel like they never get really clean, and it just really irritates me. So the other day my husband I was actually taking them in the bathroom to clean them, and I had wrapped them up in a towel. And so they were sitting in the towel dirty, and my husband didn't know it. And he took the towel while it was dirty and with the beauty blenders inside, and he threw it in the washing machine. And after they came out of the washing machine, he showed it to me. He thought like I would be mad. He was like, oh, I washed your makeup sponges by accident. And I was like, and I looked at them and they were so clean, and it was crazy. They were in perfect condition. I was like, are you for real? You have just made my life so amazing. I can't believe it. So I went ahead and I just switched it up a little bit just before I recommend it to you guys. Like, for example, the second time I did it, I put them in a lingerie bag and I washed them on gentle cycle so that, you know, we can just be on the safe side so that they won't get messed up. But I just want to go ahead and show you really quickly how I do it. It's so easy and effortless, and my sponges are staying amazing. I've done it about 5 times now, and I always have a great result. So far, you know, it's turning out great. It's working out great for me. So let me just go ahead and show you really quickly how I clean my beauty blenders in the washing machine, and they come out amazing. Here are my dirty beauty sponges, my beauty blender, and my NYX one, and a few different ones that I have, and I'm going to wash these too also. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in my lingerie bag. So I have the lingerie bag right here, and I'm going to put it in on gentle cycle with some Woolite. So that's a gentle cleanser. So here they are, babes. They're in the lingerie bag, and now I'm just going to go ahead and put them right in the washing machine, and I'm going to put it on the gentle cycle right here, and I'm going to wash it on cold, since that's better for gentle things. And I'm just going to use this Woolite. Like I said, it is just a gentle wash, and you can also put some more stuff in there besides this, just for today though, because I was, you know, running out the door. But you know, you could throw towels in, you could throw some more stuff in, but just for today, just to show you, and you know, and that saves water and energy and all that. But just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to throw the beauty blenders in with the Woolite today. So what I'm going to do, first you want to fill your washing machine with a little bit of cold water. So I'm just filling it up a little bit because you put the water in, and then you put a little bit of soap in, and then you put the beauty blenders into the water, and then you go ahead and wash. So there they are, dolls. And so let's go ahead and wash them, and I'll be back in about 20 minutes to show you our results. Okay guys, so the sponges are ready. Let's open it up and see how they came out. Like, I did throw one in there on its own, guys. After I talked to you, I found another one. I just threw it in on its own. So there they are. Let me show you. Oh my god, guys, do you see that? It's perfect. And that one, like I said, that one I threw in after I was talking to you guys. I found that one on my vanity and I just threw it in. Let me go ahead and open this up. Do you see this? This is so amazing. They're so clean. They actually softer, and they're so clean. Oh my god, they've never been this clean. This is the black one that I showed you before. This one is actually from NYX, but it works really good. And then here's our MAC Puffs. And that one was really old though. And then this is another one. So guys, you can see they're totally clean. I can't wait to see your results and see how you love it. And like I said, I've been doing it quite a few times. They're staying perfect. You know, that the material is not getting worn out. It actually does even feel softer, and maybe from the conditioning in the soap. But they're just perfect and amazing. So I can't wait for you guys to try it and let me know your results. Or will you try it? Let me know, guys. And like I said, I just threw this one in without even in the bag, and it came out perfect. So just saying. So guys, those are my results. I could not be more happier, and I'm so thankful to my husband for making that mistake. So guys, let me know if you try it. Tag me in your pictures if you do it. I want to see. So guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.